My name is Pratika. I am studying in the Vijay Millennium Senior Secondary School, Krishnagiri. I secured 493 marks in grade 10, and I convey my sincere thanks to my parents and teachers and my school management. They supported me a lot, and thank you.
Good afternoon. I am danshi. I have secured 483 out of 500. I really thank all my teachers, Mukesh sir, Amrit sir, Saravanan Yogesh sir, and all my science teachers. They always supported me, they always encouraged and motivated me, and I thank my parents who was really supportive to me and motivated me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Harshini. I am from Vijay Millennium Dharmapuri. Today I have received my results and I am really happy with my results. I have scored 481 and I really appreciate my teacher's support and the principal, vice principal, and especially I want to thank my parents first of all, everyone. Thank you for all the teachers who have always given me worksheets and assignments daily. It was very systematic way and I am really thankful for everyone who helped me. Thank you.
I thank management and teachers who have supported my daughter for scoring 481 marks today. I am very happy with that marks. I congratulate all the students who have scored good marks in this.
I am Jayashree from Vijay Millennium School. I have secured 478 out of 500 in the CBSE board exam held for class 10. I am extremely thankful to the support I got from my teachers and also my parents. Thank you.
Jayashree school la 3rd place வாங்குறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. இந்த 3rd prize வாங்குறதுக்காக உதவி செய்த சேர்மேன் மற்றும் பிரின்சிபால், கிளாஸ் டீச்சர்ஸ், தமிழையா நிறைய ஊக்கம் கொடுத்தாரு. ஜெயஸ்ரீ நீ சென்டம் வாங்கிடுவேன், நல்ல மார்க் வாங்குவோமான்னு. சுந்தரி மேம் ரொம்ப எங்களுக்காக ஜெயஸ்ரீக்காக கேர் எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க. எல்லா டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே அவள் நல்லா ஊக்குவிச்சு இந்த மார்க் வாங்குறதுக்காக மிகவும் நன்றி.
My name is Sanjana and I am from the Vijay Millennium School. I have scored 478 marks out of 500 in the board exams for 10th grade. I am very happy with it as I was expecting 475 and I got 3 marks extra. And I'd like to thank a lot of teachers, but the ones I like to especially thank are my class teacher Tamilaya, Mr. Manigandan, my social teacher Mrs. Sundari, my maths teacher Mr. Shivaprakash sir, and all my science teachers, especially my biology teacher Mrs. Darthi, and all the other teachers. They have not only personally supported me through like revision schedules or giving worksheets, but they've also helped me in a way that feels personal. When I was struggling in Tamil, my teacher helped me understand questions in a personal way. Like when I went and asked him doubts, he said he'll clear that out right away. And also in subjects that I felt demotivated, the teachers made it fun. And honestly, it felt pretty emotional to know that I wouldn't see the teachers in the next year. And finally, I'd like to thank my parents and myself for the work that I put in to get all these marks.
First of all, I would like to thank our management, Vijay Group of Institution, then our teachers who supported my daughters from from KG to still now. Those who are supporting in +1 also. I would like to thank each and every person who supported my daughters.